Hi there, join me in this video as I unbox the Mechanic brand motherboard chip and glue removal brushes. It's a two-piece set. One brush has steel bristles and the second brush has main bristles, and show you what it looks like. I have here the Mechanic brand motherboard chip glue removal brush. There are two types of the brush. This one here is the main brush and this one here is a steel brush. The steel brush has ultra fine steel wires. It has high hardness without deformation. It is good for glue removal, tin removal and polishing. The main brush has high elasticity and does not shed hair. Can be used to quickly clean motherboards, chips, etc. It's anti-static and used for non-destructive operation. Let me first unbox the main brush. So that's the main brush, and the bristles are very stiff, which is good. There is nice knurling on these two sections that enables a good grip. And I can turn this to remove the main attachment. So that means when the brush is worn out, I can buy new brushes to attach to the existing handle. Now to unbox the steel brush. Looks very similar. Only difference is the brush attachment has steel bristles instead of main, and similarly it can be unscrewed, removed and replaced with a new brush attachment. These will come in helpful for cleaning motherboard. I have here the RELIFE RL-001G multi-function maintenance storage container. On the top I have the Mechanic brand Motor SE 6-piece high precision screwdriver set. And in the side tray I have several Mechanic brand high precision tweezers, including ceramic tipped tweezers. And I also have two RELIFE tweezers. This is the T2 and the ST20 tweezers. I hope you found this video interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.